bit different, but I may want you guys to check out this short or drama application here. I would recommend it, and because of their privacy policies, I can screen record it to show you guys how to pretty much use it, but it's pretty much the same way of how I teach you guys how to use it, how to use similar applications like this. But this one here, I do recommend you using this one here because it doesn't have any ads and it doesn't need any coins to watch any series or unlocking a series or anything like that. And I do think it's worth even a review, even if I can screen record it. But as you can see here, down here, this is pretty much how the application looks and how you're going to use it. So as you can see here, nothing much for the application. This is pretty much how it looks. Very, very simple layout. And I will say it's one of the best drama application that I've come across on this Play Store here that I would recommend you guys checking out. Although I can't give you a full review on it, it's a very, very good application. It doesn't have any ads. You don't need any subscription and you don't need any coins to watch these drama clips here. Very, very great application, and I do think it deserves a review. But this is the best way I could get a review on this application here because it doesn't allow me to screen record or anything like that because of their privacy policies. But anyways, from this, if you have any questions or anything like that, you can always comment below. I'll see if it can help you out. And well, that's it guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.